Alright, let's cut through the hype and get real about the BreatheFree resistance necklace. First, the basic idea, using a breathing necklace to manage anxiety or quit smoking, is actually backed by science. Slow, controlled exhales trigger the vagus nerve, which can calm your nervous system and lower stress. So, the concept? Totally legit. But here's where things get messy. The BreatheFree brand itself. If you look up reviews, you'll quickly see a wave of angry customers. The number one red flag? Hidden subscriptions. People think they're buying a one-off necklace, then suddenly they're charged every month for filter refills they never agreed to. Shipping is another headache. Some folks wait over a month, others never get their order at all. And if you try to get a refund, the money-back guarantee is more like a maze. You might only get a tiny portion back, or you're told to ship the product all the way back to China, which can cost more than the necklace itself. As for quality, it's a mixed bag. Some users say the stainless steel necklace feels premium, but the flavored filters? Described as tasting like soap, or worse, causing a burning sensation. Ouch. So, should you buy it? If you want to try a breathing tool, definitely read the fine print. Don't get caught in a subscription trap. Honestly, you can find similar products on Amazon or from established brands like Camuso Design, without all the drama. Remember, these necklaces are just simple tools for mindful breathing. No nicotine, no magic, just a fancy way to slow your breath. If that's what you're after, do your homework and shop smart. Stay calm, breathe easy, and don't let sketchy business practices stress you out.